On this episode of Fan and Van,
it's my 30th birthday.
I planned the best weekend for Emily's 30th birthday, loaded with adventure.
Make sure to stay until the end to see the big surprise.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Also, follow us on Instagram for daily updates from the road.
Birthday celebration begins.
Woo! I'm excited.
30 years old.
Tomorrow, last day of being 29. I'm excited.
So, are you excited for the coin collecting convention?
You have been giving me so much crap about what we're doing today. You've said we're going to coin collecting, we're going to Magic the Gathering, we're going to a Pokemon Go convention.
So I got a whole plan this weekend, and Emily doesn't know any of it. She kind of figured out some of it by guessing, so now she knows some of it. But we got a big secret coming out tonight, and she doesn't know. We're going to keep it that way until the moment we get there. It's going to be really fun. But we got some real cool adventures for today that we don't normally get to do. We got a dog sitter on Rover. We miss the dogs a lot, but that allows us to kind of do some things that we wouldn't normally be able to do. So stay tuned.
I'm excited! Going on a jet ski cause I'm 30.
Alright, go ahead and hop in here, MC. Watch out, this is a little soft. You can make it over.
Is this like a jet ski with the tuber?
Your own too.
Oh.
This is my vintage Sea-Doo.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's worth its weight in gold because when this is all full of dock or boats on the dock, I can pull in and 6 people up for.
Oh yeah, that's great.
You can go up one from there if you don't like it.
Oh, this is okay, actually.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to quit.
Okay, this is Black Betty. She's fast.
All
So
right.
be careful.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it a little gas. And now you're going to be watching out for boats that are going to run her over. So where are you going?
That's the beach. I like to go fast.
I'm sorry! It's so fun! Woo! We're going fast again! Oh no!
My face has got to be amazing on this. I don't know what's going to happen because I can't really see the front of the boat. I feel like I'm like riding the bull.
Oh my god!
Happy birthday, Emily! It's my birthday!
It's my birthday! So it's my 30th birthday, and we're on a jet ski for 2 hours, going like 40 miles an hour, and I'm screaming a lot. But it's really fun.
Oh!
It's like all sweet at the bottom. It's actually really warm. Feels so good. We just switched it up because Kevin thinks I'm a crazy driver. So he's the one who went 40 last time.
She hasn't seen crazy yet.
Oh. Not a bad place to hang out. Am I right?
We need to get one of these in the van.
We should tow a jet ski. Screw that kayak that we love.
We are in outside Missoula, Montana. About 2 hours from Coeur d'Alene. We're about to go river rafting, whitewater river rafting on some up to class 3 rapids, I think, which I don't think is like that intense actually, but should be really fun.
Around and talk at the same time.
What do you think?
That's so cool. You have so many friends.
We just got the full safety briefing, and it was like all the different ways that we can fall in the water. And I was like, and Emily's like, yes.
That is the difference between us. It's us and this huge family.
Yeah.
We're gonna be besties someday.
Yeah. There's this one guy who's like, they called him Uncle. I think he's like the crazy uncle of the group. He brought this cooler of Mike's Hard Lemonade, and the raft guides just ran it over on accident. It was really funny.
Yes.
You look badass. We got this?
Oh yeah!
Awesome.
Right? I don't know.
Mine's waterproof. Do you want the other one?
Where are you guys all from?
We're from California.
Sure.
Bay Area.
Us too.
So Emily and Kevin, when I say all forward, I want you guys to look at each other, make sure that you start together, okay? It's super important that both sides are going at the same rhythm. We don't want one side to be going really fast and one to be going really slow, because then we're going to be sideways.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that you guys are in sync. Everyone else, it's your job to make sure you're not slapping paddles.
Oh no. Oh my god. I can hear her at all. Oh man!
Oh! That's a 30-year-old. Whoa, this is actually pretty fast.
Oh, Haley, you're gonna make the YouTube channel.
Hell yeah!
Let's go.
Let's go, Haley!
Dang!
That was fast.
That was quick. You got like 5 gulps.
Hey, so far, all my college has been paying for that right there.
Yeah.
That's Dad, by the way.
You're actually gonna die. Yeah, I might die. I don't know what's coming. Can you put it in your poop?
In the boob.
I
Alright, let's go too far away.
I don't want to. You said it's big.
Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Whoa! Oh my God! That was so good. Ah!
Dude, my ass totally slipped right when we hit it. My shorts said, dude.
Brony's still going, one-handed. Alright, let's go one
Woo!
Oh, it's coming! Mom, you okay? Mom, 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 mom.
Okay, I'm ready if you are. Whoa, you did like a flip and a half. A flip and a half. Oh. Hold on, be careful.
Don't do flip. Just jump. Just jump on your butt.
We're here. What town is this technically?
Frenchtown.
Frenchtown, outside of Missoula, Missouri.
Missouri.
Oh shit. It's okay. I don't even know. It's my first day in this thing.
It's your 30th birthday. Till the end of the day.
Okay, in an hour and a half you can't say it's my 30th birthday anymore. We're in Montana, FYI. We should start over. Missoula, Montana. I was about to say Missouri again.
How many Trulies did you have?
Frenchtown. This is my second. I'm fine. Bear is distracting me.
Bear, you're a good boy.
Are you that cute, Bear? That you're so cute. You want some drinks? We're gonna have campfire biscuit, campfire donut.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And action. We're going to show you
Okay.
how to wrap a campfire donut.
Yes.
America, this is your next dessert. It will change your life.
Okay.
There's no COVID. Let's be positive, not negative.
I wasn't worried.
This is Doc Hollywood.
Doc Hollywood, I give out hope, not prescription dope.
So that's biscuit dough?
Yeah. Oh, this is legit.
Hold on, I gotta put one over here.
Okay, so this is the campfire donuts.
Yes, so we got biscuit wrapped around this
So
marshmallow stick.
patience is really important for this, right?
Yes, it's almost like doing a s'mores,
I
but
wanna
you don't want to
fluff
melt it, you don't want to burn it, you want to get it just right.
golden brown.
Rotating like a rotisserie. This is about to put out Winchell's and Dunkin' Donuts out of business.
Douglas Donuts.
Say that again.
Douglas Dunkin'
Take
Dunkin'
two.
Donuts.
Take two.
I like the robe.
Thank you very much.
What are the clues you've gotten so far?
Wear a hat. Don't wear white. Get the hatchet and sleds. Outdoors. Maybe a light jacket.
And wear makeup too, right?
And there'll be pictures. So wear, you know, I did my full face of mascara. Getting fancy here.
Before we get here, just hear me out.
Oh God, this is a good build up.
I hear this is amazing. Like this has very, very well recommended. I just hear it's amazing and we're going, but you just gotta give it a chance, okay?
Okay. You're scaring me a little
Promise?
bit.
You promise?
Of course. Gas station.
We're going to the Flying J.
What's that? Balloon rides? Hot air balloon? Hot air balloon! That's so cool!
Not the gas station?
That's awesome. Oh my, I don't know if I've ever been in one.
I've never been in one either.
Why were you like, give it a chance? Like,
Because I was thinking you'd see the gas station. I didn't know you'd see the trailer with the thing.
That's really thoughtful. Thank you.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know what's up this side road here.
I'm kind of surprised you can just launch from wherever. That's so interesting.
It's just a circle. Okay, yep, it's just a circle. It's like a drop off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're testing the wind to see if we can go out today. And we may have to go out on Saturday or something, but we will see. We're gonna test it with a balloon. I don't know anything. So they did a pie balloon, a pilot
Information.
balloon to like test the wind patterns.
Yeah, it's probably in some field somewhere.
I don't know what it means, whatever it did, but we're gonna find out probably pretty soon.
Pilot is checking it out.
Yeah, I mean it's hard. Like we don't want to waste your time if you're feeling like it's
Oh,
not gonna...
no, I think, like I said, I think it's,
Definitely.
yeah. I mean, and you've seen the balloon, you know, a lot of times on the afternoons, like you see when I let that balloon go, is just kind of slow.
Yeah.
Once it got off the surface. Usually, sometimes it's only 150 feet, this wind, because it's the heating coming off the ground.
Yeah.
And and that causes the breeze. Because
Sure.
the heating of the day is what causes the wind.
Okay.
And on the winds like this, so.
Awesome. No. Wow.
See, I don't think you need.
Very hot.
Thanks, guys. Great job.
Holy shit.
See you guys. This is like terrifying, actually.
Oh my-
All right, everybody good?
yeah, thank you.
right.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It was a little show for the community.
Oh my god, this is cool. How high up in the air are we?
Right now we are about we're about 1,100 feet above the ground.
Wow. Was the surprise good?
Yeah, that's a pretty good surprise. Wow.
30.
30. Nothing like high above the ground being 30.
Get up there, but I'm kind of seeing once we get past the houses, or once we get past these houses and pastures here, kind of where it opens up there before the houses really get thick.
Yeah.
Looking about putting down in there somewhere.
Sure.
Hello. Hello. You gonna say, is it okay if I land over here? Okay.
Wow.
Kind of,
We just landed at someone's house, and the company just asked the landowner if we can stay and they can load it up. Like there's no, because of the wind.
They can't tell
They can't-
where exactly. They can't really plan. Oh, we're dipping. We're dipping.
All right, guys.
Cheers.
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 Thank you. That was beautiful.
Next time on Fan and Van.
Montana, baby.
We loved exploring Glacier National Park.
And we got to experience true Montana at the state fair.
We also went to Great Falls and Helena, Montana.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out.
If it gets YouTube famous, we gotta put. We gotta put.
Where was she in? Grandma City.
Brody, you're the key for us getting YouTube famous, I think.
I am.
I think the pooping really did it.
Brody, can you explain what happened?
So we were just doing our normal rafting trip like I do, and we were going to jump off the cliff. I jumped off the cliff. I felt something coming out. I was like, can I just go in the water? And Haley said, no, I don't want to swim in your SHIT. So I had to get out of the water. I went to the rock, and then I was pooping, and they were all just staring at me, taking videos of me pooping. And then I ran in the water and washed it off, and that was that.
I dodged worst listener.
Oh, you totally deserved worst listener.
Oh, you got it.
I got worst listener in my boat. Poor Maddie. And somehow my mom got best paddler. Pretty sure they were just giving out awards, Make-A-Wish Foundation.
That's for sure.